in my firm, we always say like design equals collaboration. I really think design is about as many eyes and as many thoughts and as many layers as you can pull together and then peel it back and edit it. Amy has years and years of expertise in making furniture that Drew McGukin does not have. Drew McGukin has a great eye and he gets his little sketch pad out and dashes off a chair and, you know, scans it to Amy and says, let's make this. And I love that Amy is the person that comes back and says, yeah, let's make this, except it needs to look more like this because that can never happen.
A lot of designers don't get the whole process of custom furniture. They don't have any idea what goes into it, and Drew does. The majority of designers we work with come to us first with their fabrics. And not everything works on every piece. So I do come from it from much more of an architectural standpoint of designing the structure. The form and the function are first.
The inspiration for the chair really came, I bought a pair of just vintage chairs for 150 bucks at a thrift store, and I shipped them to Amy and I said, I love the scale of this chair, it's perfect for a New York City apartment, but I need it to be fully upholstered and I want it to swivel. And so we really took the dimensions from those chairs and then just sort of built out. We literally, this inside dimension is exactly the same, and then we built out from there to give the chair something architectural and interesting.
The welt on the chair really helps make this chair. It defines the lines, it takes your eye away from where there's no way this pattern could have matched perfectly.
That's the kind of collaboration that I really rely on from Amy and her team, is to say, look, we need to welt this, because otherwise we can't.
You said no how many times?
I did say no about 25 times.
He said he wanted it to happen organically.
But look, we got there and they're beautiful.
Yeah, they're great.
The people that you choose to work with will be a part of what makes you successful. I mean, I learned that about Sunbrella. It's a beautiful fabric, and to be able to have that dimensionality and that, you know, the differences in the types of fabrics that are here, you really can sort of see how you can create a beautiful space. And it's all Sunbrella, you know, and it's very elegant. It's not, you know, it's fun, it's poppy, but it's also, there's a level of sophistication to it.